What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, guys. If you're watching this right now, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Also, guys, remember we are giving away this set of wheels. It's a 2-week giveaway this week and next week, and that is it. After the giveaway is over, we're gonna take a couple of days and then we're gonna announce the winner of the wheels. So stay tuned. You can take the wheels or $5,000 cash. You get 15 entries to the wheels and the OBS giveaway as well. So ahorita lo que voy a hacer, guys, for the people that have been subscribing to my Instagram, big shout out to you guys. You guys been seeing behind the scenes, the racing and everything, the lives that we do for you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick a winner for that hat that I just picked. I'm gonna go straight to my subscribers and I'm gonna pick one. And we're gonna send them a hat. Now, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to go to my Instagram. It has a subscribe feature, and just click on it and you'll be subscribed. We're gonna be doing bigger and bigger giveaways throughout the time that we get subscribers. So don't miss out, guys. All you gotta do is stay subscribed. Okay, this guy, Freddy Cortez, winner chicken dinner. Mr. Freddy, you are the winner of this mamalona hat. Ahí está. Deme boy. Okay, guys, so ahora sí, we got a couple things to do today. Thanks for tuning in again. Let's go. We're fishing for whoever wants to race. Puro pinche gear. Puro gear shit in there. A la verga. Ready, muñeño? I'm only gonna step on this car, guys, whenever we get a race. Porque nomás para andar empezando de lo puro güey, nomás va para un policía. ¿Vas a torear a la gente? Yes, sir. So we're going to the south side of Houston to pick up a truck. A truck that you guys have not seen in a very, very long time. Vamos para allá. Dale, vamos. Dale, gas. Dale, vamos a pisar, niño. ¿Será que quieren? Ahí se viene un pinche carro. Se mira que estaba malón, güey. No, se mira guay, buddy. Se mira como que quiere cheese. Anda en busca de cheese. A ver, si se pone acá al lado es que sí. Mira, le voy a pisar. Mira. No, lo vas a asustar. Deja apago el aire. Mira, güey, se te puso atrás. Y ahí se mira el qué. Vamos a ver si quiere tantear. Oh, it's a red eye. Es un Hellcat. A la era de 30, bro. Dale, dale. I wasn't ready! You reacted too late. Te dije dale. Wait. Let me count. 30, go. No mames, güey. That mug is quick. Es de red eye porque tiene un rojito el ojo. ¿Tiene el ojo rojo? Ay, güey. That car is quick, guys. After we took off, he just stayed there. Yeah. He was like, whoa. No mames, güey. Qué pinche adrenalina, la verga. The first time I wasn't ready. Because I wasn't ready for real, I promise. But the second time, I told him, you ready?
Sí,
that's how you gotta do it, guys. You gotta be like, you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then go.
Sí, porque le contó y te dije, dale, dale.
Yeah, no, I was over here looking over here, and I could see that. I could see his hand, but I couldn't see his face. You gotta be eye contact, guys. Whenever you go and do out here street racing
hey,
in Mexico.
You see how the difference is, güey?
What?
Like if you take off late, that bitch is fucking fast para que no lo puedas alcanzar. Así de nomás.
It's because I feel like these two cars were about the same horsepower, but since this one's a little bit lighter on the takeoff,
yeah,
it jumps.
Gonna jump. And he patinó?
Yeah. No, it también depends, because this one on a 30 roll on first gear is good. Like,
yeah, 40 roll.
maybe his is 40 roll, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So that depends a lot. So, yeah. Mira quién está ahí, güey. El Pompa, güey. No, el Pompa ya es mi camarada.
No,
Mira, güey, se lo voy a parquear al lado del para que se mire. Se mire el pinche.
Míralo. Ahí está.
¿A la verga?
Mira. Ya está apuntando, güey.
Míralo, de volada saco los cigarros y grabas acá. Estamos en la guagua.
¿Qué onda?
¿Estás listo o qué?
Mira, ¿qué tal sabes? Cállate, güey, ¿quién se va a quedar aquí si está solo?
Los cierro de volada, man. Gap them real quick.
Guys, Pompa. Alright guys, vamos a ver qué está haciendo el compa Russell. He's always working. One thing about Russell, that dude be in the shop day and night.
He's always on the move.
Yeah. So let's see what he's doing. I don't see my truck, I don't know where it's at, but I'm pretty sure he's got a store somewhere.
No descansa el carro.
That's a cut.
¡Brazo!
Oh. Probably wouldn't pick up my truck, huh? Hey, damn it, boy. What you guys got going on over here? You know, wait, with a turbo fuel? God, that's a big ass turbo.
La verga, güey.
Holy shit.
Boy, I think it's a baby
setup. Damn.
Que baby, no mames.
Just easy gonna be unos 3,000 horsepower.
Ready for the
A la verga.
A la madre.
So right now we'll just wait on Russell. Y ahorita, that way you guys can see the truck that he's been working on that we finally taken back to the shop. Been a long time. I haven't taken that truck out in a long time. People probably don't even remember that truck.
For real?
That bitch is gone for a minute.
Gone.
Yeah, boy. Who remembers this truck, guys?
Damn, no mames.
Yeah, this thing is clean.
It's been a long ass time.
¿Cómo se oye, güey? El pinche sexo. Guys, I'm thinking about putting black wheels on this truck. What you guys think? Drop a comment. I'm gonna put black wheels and a badass decal. Mamalón. Black también. And black roof. Top of the line. Top of the line.
Hasta se me olvidó que tiene interior,
Sí,
güey.
güey, checa el interior. Está bien, perro. Big shout out to Speedy Headliner.
High country style.
Interior. Mira, está todo sucio, güey.
Pues no te la llevaste pa' Crosby, la verga.
Damn. Me toca, güey. It's been a while since I haven't drove this truck. Pero ahorita me lo voy a llevar. ¿Qué onda, Razo?
¿Qué onda acá?
¿Qué le hiciste, güey, a esta?
Hicimos interior, lift
A la verga.
Ay, güey.
King Cobra build number 2, okay?
Nah, we did front and rear 456 gears. You put the pods in the back, the control. So we got to re-gear it for like the bigger tires.
The bigger tires.
So ahora sí pa' que remangue.
Pa' que reman, guys, because it was driving like you will step on it and it will feel a little bit slow.
Yeah, from the low end it was. I mean, cause it's heavy, you know, heavy wheels and stuff. So
But
that
not-
was geared, yeah.
You drove it?
Yeah.
¿Necesitas
¿Ya
cámara?
remanga?
It lights them up, boy, into it, right?
No,
Ay,
mames.
güey.
A la
Yeah, it does. Está lista para Crosby.
Lista para Crosby, guys. A ver qué hacemos. El Pompa se invitó a las wings.
Los pagó aquel güey.
¿Quién? Sí, güey.
We take turns.
Apenas te iba a dar cogerle tú.
Ay,
güey.
No, Chimba for friends is sponsor.
You know, right here we got a little thing. He pays one day, I pay one day, he pays one day, he pays one day, and then it just goes like that. Este vato siempre le toca Cane's, McDonald's, Whataburger.
Está bien, está bien.
With the no tender meal.
No tender. Hey, wait.
We got back to the story, bro. All mad. I'm like, hey, y'all didn't give me no fucking tender.
I was fucking pissed.
Like, we'll
güey.
give you a refund.
I was hungry, güey. Eran las 3 de la tarde, güey. Era las 3 de la tarde, fui pa' Cane's y ordené like four meals, right?
How far is the drive?
20 minutes. So I go, I come back, and I open up my plate, and it was no tenders.
Just fries.
Just fries.
No tender meal.
And then I go to a Whataburger, güey.
Te dijeron, you don't put these guys on diet. A huevo.
Pura papa.
Y un pan.
Guys, we've been had that truck ever since they got it painted. I got it painted. It's never had windshield wipers. Well, next upgrade, windshield wipers on the Mamalona.
A ver, Russell.
We're gonna make
El performance mod.
how-to video.
How to install windshield wipers on the lifted Silverado.
101.
101.
Ahí está ya. Oscar wanted a how-to on how to install them. There you go, guys.
¿Tan rápido así?
So $100 to install them. Hit me up.
You already know. And also, Velocity here is the one who got down with the engine work.
Mira.
Limpiecito. I remember I got this truck back, güey, estaba todo bien limpiecito, güey.
Yeah, everything's
Ahorita it's a little bit dirty because we haven't used the truck in a while, but...
¿Qué?
No se te vaya a apagar porque ya no va a prender, güey, Alright, guys. So we are gonna need to replace the battery. You think it's a battery or it just needs to get charged?
Oh, a lo mejor todavía tiene garantía, güey. ¿Mira? ¿O no? Ya. Acabó el
621.
pinche mes.
¿No
Del año
tenía
pasado.
garantía hasta 621?
Sí, pero
I
pues
bought
estamos
the
a
battery.
22.
No, yeah, about the battery. That's a Walmart.
Estamos a 22.
Walmart. I don't remember buying a Walmart battery.
Return to
Es de Walmart, ahí dice.
Alright, so I'm gonna turn it on, guys. We're gonna flip it around because we are taking the King Cobra's old set of wheels. Now those wheels will be available at Project Toy Garage for sale. And we might just ship them too if anybody wants the King Cobra original wheels. And
what it started with.
What it started with.
you don't only need the new battery, guys, and after that, we should be good.
Oh, it's hot.
That chop is insane. Russell, otra leche que le dejó para la King Cobra.
Oh, I need to go get it.
We are gonna put a badass intake on the King Cobra that way.
No billet intake.
A little bit of this para que se mire placosona.
Ay, güey.
Ya está, Russell. Pinche my boy. You already know if you need. Él es swap, Coyote swap, todo el jale.
Ahí estamos.
Ya está, güey.
Está con madre, güey. Se ve
And the
perrón.
gears, the changing the gears on it made a big difference.
Estamos acá. Ay, güey. Hola, Rosa.
¿Quién es el drive? No te vas a desarmar por ahí, por favor.
Y más no me pidan porque se me está cayendo para seguirnos atendiendo.
¿Qué pedo, viejo? ¿Cómo se oye?
Estoy bien, pero no tienen que hacer unas pinches donas, así nomás no.
Guys, so we're back at the shop. Trajimos la mamalona. Now one of the brakes, the rear brake, está amarrado. So we're gonna have to have Vargas replace that. But Vargas is almost got this truck turned on. ¿Qué pasó? What you doing, Vargas?
Oh, we cranking the mamalona.
Dime, boy. You know what JR fat,
Fíjate.
güey? Anda en el jale, JR. Mira.
Bien suited.
Dele, dele. Ya. Va a prender en esta. Guys, this truck took a little long, but it's gonna be better. Holy macaroni, what's the issue, Vargas?
I'm trying to find what's called the plug for the fuel pump.
Okay.
I'm trying to see because I mixed the what's called the original harness to work with the Holy. So I'm just finding everything to see like the original one can fire up the pump. If no, I'm gonna plug it in the Holy
Directly to
output to the pump.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
things sound
Oh
loud.
yeah. Boy, well there it is, guys. The thing turned on. Now I guess Vargas gotta finish it up. JR's gonna do a custom intake for it. That JR? That's an intake. Custom intake, and then we're gonna have to go get it tuned. But Vargas is finishing it up, bundling everything up. It's gonna be. Le voy a dar un quemón de llanta afuera, and that's it, cause I gotta save the tires for the winter.
I know.
Truck sounds really good, guys. I don't know how it sounds on video, but in person it sounds really, really good. And that cam, it's got
That's
the
a
right
big
chop.
chop.
Yeah. ¡A la madre! Pinche troca de chingo de huevo.
Se siente diferente.
Apenas para llevar al soquete ahora sí. Guys, the gears that Rosa put in there, top of the line. The only issue we had yesterday is one of the brake calipers got stuck, but it seems like it's good today. We're gonna have to replace it anyways.
Change this.
There, boy. Pinche troca anda jalando al mero 100. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Enjoy it. Hit the like, subscribe, drop a comment, and let me know what you guys think. Should I do the black with the black wheels and the black hood? Drop a comment. Ahí estamos.